Today we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims quantity aptitude grand test 15. So we'll move for the questions. What is the first question? The simple interest occurred on an amount 11,200. So at the end of 5 years is 5,600. What would be the compound interest occurred on the same amount? The 5% additional rate of interest at the end of 2 years. So 11,200 on that we are getting a 5,600. So interest. So this is for how many years? End of 5 years. Then 5,600 we can write 5 ones are 5120. That means 1 year value 1120. 1120 value is 11,200 of 10 percentage value, which is equal to how much percentage? 10 percentage. That means in a simple interest we are imposing 10 percentage rate of interest. Now extra 5 percentage. That means we are imposing 15 percentage rate of interest. In 15 percentage rate of interest for how many years? 2 years on the 11,200. So this is we should calculate 11 15 ja, which is equal to 165. 11 2 ja 30. 30 plus 165, which is equal to here 1680. This is the interest of first year, and next year interest also 1680. In this we required 15 percentage. Then 10 percentage value is 168, and 15 percentage value 5 percentage value is 84. This total value we should add it. So 1600 plus 1600, which is equal to 3200. 3200 plus 1600, which is equal to 3360, and extra we should add it here. 80 plus 80 160. 160 plus 80, which is equal to 220. 240. 240 plus 12, which is 230. 252. Then finally 2163612. Our option is A. And move for the next question. Question 42. AB can complete a piece of work in 64 days and 72 days. And this is for A, and this is B, and C plus A plus B all will be complete a work in 24 days. And cancel the numbers. All the numbers are cancelled with 8. 8 8 ja, 8 9 ja, and 8 3 ja. And we'll write efficiency. How to write efficiency? Here A efficiency purpose we will multiply these two numbers. 9 3s are 27, and B efficiency purpose we should multiply these two, and C efficiency purpose we should multiply 2. And all the terms again cancel with 3. 3 9s are 3 8s are, and 3 24s are. And look at A efficiency is 9, B efficiency 8. 9 plus 8 17. 17 is removing from the 24, which is equal to C. C efficiency individual is what? 7. Then we have to distribute the wages based on their efficiencies. 24 parts is equal to 10800, and 12 twos are, and 12 nines are. That means one part is equal to 450. We need how many parts? 7 parts. 7 into 450. 7 into 450. 7 fours are 2800. 7 fives are 350. Then we should add it 2800 plus 350. Our answer is 3150. Our option is A. So the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 63. So there's a 62, and it is a 64, and it is a 66, and it is a 60. They need the answer yes and U. The first number to third number both are multiplied. Here 6 fours are 24, and 6 6 are 36. It is a 3840. Our option is B. Next, what is the percentage of salt in the remaining solution when 1 liter is evaporated? 1 liter is evaporated means 9 liters. 4 percentage of 10 liters means 0.4 liters. We need percentage multiply with a 100. Then 4 into 100, which is equal to 400, but 1 decimal wise 10 will be cancelled, which is equal to 40 by 9 percentage. Our option is C. Next, ratio between the ages of P and Q 3:4, and age of Q and R is 2:3. This is we can write here 6 also. P, Q, R. It is a 3:4, and QR we can change 4 into 6 to 6. If their total age is 78 years, 3 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 parts is equal to 78 years. Find the ratio between P and R after 4 years. 13 6 are, here also multiply with 6. 6 3s are 18, and 6 6 are 36. But we need the ratio after the 4 years. 4 years value 22 is to 40. Both the terms cancel with 2. 2 11s are 2 20s are. That means our answer is 11 is to 20. Our option is A. Next, so we have a wrong number series which is the wrong number in the given series. In each of the following question, a number series is given, identify the wrong number in the series. Here 8424 divided by 2, and here divided by 2, and here is divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 will get 3, but last digit we are given 1. The wrong number is 1051. Our option is A. And go for the next question. 1425 256 3125. 1 we can write 1 to the power of 1. 4 we can write 2 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 3. It is 4 to the power of 4, which is 5 to the power of 5. It is go to the series. Then 3 to the power of 3 value is not 25. Our wrong number is 25. Our option is B. And go for the next series. 48, 72, 56, 42 and 20. We'll take a differences here. 72 to here, not difference, directly multiply here. 72 we can write 9 8 ja, and 56 we can write 8 into 7, and 42 we can write 7 into 6, and 32 we can write here the 6 into 5. 6 into 5 30, but they are given a 32. Our wrong number is 32. Option is C. Next 16, 30, 58, 114, 226, 496 and 898. Here 16, here minus 1 into 2, here is minus 1 into 2, here is also minus 1 into 2, here is also minus 1 into 2, 113 into 2, 226, and here is minus 1, 225 into 2 value, which is not equal to 496. Our option is B. B is the wrong number. Question number is 50. 144, 169. It is a 12 square. It is a 13 square. It is a 14 square. But it is 15 square. 15 square value 225. Our wrong number is 255. So go for the next question. We have a quadratic equation 2x square minus 39x plus 187. So 2 can be multiplied to 187. 2 into 187 and separating with 11. 11 into 17. Here 11 2s are 22 and 17. 22 and 17 is divisible by 2, and the final factors are 11 comma 17 by 2. And next 2 can be multiplied to 266. 2 into 266. Here I am separating with 2. 133. This is multiplying with 19 7 ja. 7 4 ja. It is a 28. Final factors are 28 and 19. 28 plus 19 added, which is equal to 47, and which is divided by 2, and here is also divided by 2. Final factors are 14 comma 19 by 2. Now comparing the values here. So 14 here is, which is a bigger, 14 is a bigger, and here 19 by 2, 11 is a bigger. 19 by 2 value is equal to 9.5. 1 less than 1 greater than means one relation is what? E. No relation can be established. Next 5x square minus 23x plus 12 is equal to 0. It is a 5 12 ja 60. The 60 we can write 12 5 ja, but it is not suitable. We need what is the number? 20, and 20 and 3 here divisible by 5. Then final factors are here 4 comma 3 by 5, and 5 can be multiplied to 30. It is 150. Then 150 we can write here 25 6 are, and divisible by 5. Then final factors are 5 comma 6 by 5. And comparing the result here, so 4 to 5, 5 is a bigger, and 4 to 6 by 5, 4 is a bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than means here is also relation cannot be established. And go for the next one. Here x square minus 30x plus 224 is equal to 0. These factors are 16 comma 14. 15 square value is 15 square 15 square value is 225. 225 minus 1 value is 224. Then 224 we can write 15 minus 1 and 15 plus 1, 16 comma 14. And here the factors are 288. 17 square value 289. This is we can write 16 comma here, so 18. 16 comma 18. Comparing the factors here, 16 to 16 equal, and 16 to 14, 16 is a bigger, and 14 to 16 comparing to 16 comma 14, 18 is a bigger. Then y greater than or equal to x. Y greater than or equal to x means we can write x less than or equal to y. Then our option is C. Move for the next question. X square minus 90x plus 84 is equal to 0. Then this equation factors are 12 comma 7. 12 7 is 84. And here the factors are what we can write 6 comma 7. 6 7 is 42. But we need plus y. Plus y purpose what we can write plus 7 minus. But final factors are 6 comma minus 7. Here is compare it. Here 12 to compare 12 to comma 7. So comparing to this 6 comma minus 7 is smaller than x greater than y. our relation is option B. Next, here this is the first equation, factors are 4 comma 3, and second equation factors are 7 comma 2, and that too it is a minus minus here. And comparing to negative, positive value is always bigger, x greater than y, our relation is what? B. Next, we have a DI based on the table, and that too it is based on the speeds. These are mentioned the trains names, and here they are mentioned the speeds also. Here, read the following table carefully and answer the questions given below. The following table shows the average speeds of 5 different trains. Average speeds they are mentioned 6 days a week, 5 train speeds, and 6 days a week. In the table, some data are missing. Find the required the data and following the questions. So, missing data also we have to find it based on the given data, and we have to find the answer. And look at the first one. If the ratio of the average of speed of Garib Rath Express in Saturday, Garib Rath in Saturday is, and Friday is 5:3, then average speed of the Garib Rath in Saturday is approximately, Garib Rath average speed is approximately, Saturday is approximately what percentage more than the average speed of the Garib Rath in Friday? So look at, it is a 5 kmph, it is a 3 kmph. 5 kmph is more than the 3 kmph, it is a 2 kmph is more comparing to 3 kmph into 100. 2 by 3 of 100 means which is equal to 66.67 percentage. That is option is what? E. No need to go for the original speeds. And move for the next question. Here, Jan Shatabdi Express covers the total distance 3600 kilometers in 40 hours. 3000 kilometers in 40 hours means nothing but it is a speed is what? 90 kmph. The speed of the Jan Shatabdi on Thursday is approximately, on Shatabdi Express Thursday is 86, is approximately what percentage more or less than the average speed of the same train during the all the 6 days together. During the 6 days, it is already been known 40 hours and 3690 kmph. It is a less. How much less? 4. 4 by 90 into 100. And look at 9 to 100, 11 times, 11 fours are, which is equal to 44. 44 by 10, we can write 4.4 percentage less. 4.4 percentage less, which is equal to what is the percentage? Approximately A, 4.5 percentage less. That is our option is A. Move for the next question. Here, Duronto Express runs 150 kilometers more on Monday than that on Thursday. So Duronto Express is a Monday and Thursday. How many kilometers extra? 150 kilometers. Time taken by the train on Monday and Thursday 5 hours and 4 hours respectively. Average speed of this train Monday is 12 kilometer per hour more than that on Thursday. Then how to write here? Total distance is D. D plus 150, and here the distance is D. And it is a 5 hours, it is a 4 hours. Distance by time, difference of the speed is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. This is we are going to solving to finding an answer. Here 4 into D is 4D, 5 into D 5D, 5D minus 4D it is a 1D, and 4 150s are, which is equal to 600, and 4 5s are 20, 22 the value is 240, and D is equal to will get 360 value. Here 240 is removing from the 600, will get 360. Then original distance is 360 and we need the average. Here the D and here the D. Double D average is single D, this is a 360, and 150 average is what? 75. 75 is added to 360, which is equal to 435. How many kilometer average distance? 435 kilometer. Our option is A. Next, if the average of the all the values of speeds Karnataka Express during all the 6 days is 25% less than the value of the average speed of the Jan Shatabdi train on Saturday. Jan Shatabdi train on Saturday. Saturday is what? 92. How much percentage less? 25% less. Then speed of Karnataka Express on Thursday is what percentage of the speed of the Duronto on Tuesday? So Karnataka Express Thursday value is required. For that we should calculate here. Then 4 can be added to 56, it is a 60. 60 plus 70, 130. 130 plus 72, 202. 202 is added to extra, it is a 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 128. 128 is added to 202. 128 plus 202, which is equal to 330. 330 plus x here by average 6, which is equal to 25% less means remaining is 75%, that is 3 by 4th of what is the value? 92. We should simplify here. So 4 1s are 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are. and 23 threes are, which is equal to 69, which is equal to 69. 69 is multiplying to 6. 6 60 are 360, 6 9 are 54, 360 plus 54, which is equal to 330 plus x, which is equal to 6 6 are 360, 6 9 are 54. Here 414, 414 and 330, which is equal to 84. X value is what? 84. And 84 is Thursday is Karnataka on Thursday is 84 is what percentage of the speed of the Duronto on Tuesday? Duronto speed is Tuesday value is what? 122. 84 by 122 into 100 and cancel the values here. So 261s are 242s are. And here we should simplify 61 to 4200, 4200 by 61, and 61 to 42 how many times? 70 times. Here 7 6 are 42, but look at here, 7 6 are 42, but is a 1 is the extra is there, that means our answer is less than 70 percentage, clearly near to the 70 percentage. Our option is what? C. Question number 16. If the average speed of an intercity express on Saturday was 20% more than that of Wednesday, then that means here the 6 parts means here the 5 parts. Then what is the approximate average speed of intercity express on Saturday if the average of all the speeds overall value is 70? Then 6 7 is a 42. Here the 420. From 420 these values we should remaining the share value is 5 comma 6, we can share it. And look at 6 can be added to here 4 can be added to 6, it is a 70, 70 plus 70, 140, 140 plus 82, it is a 222, 222 plus 56, 278, 278 is removing from the 420, which is equal to 142. This 142 we should share it to 5 comma 6. In this we need into 6 by 11. We need the what is the speed? Saturday speed. Saturday speed is 6 parts, total is 11 parts. Then 11 1 ja 11, remaining value is what? Here the 32, 11 2 ja and 12.9 something will get. 12 6 is 72 and here the 6 9 are 54. Then 72.5 will be the our answer. Then our option is what? C here. And move for the next question. From a vessel filled with milk, 1 by 4th of content is removed and the vessel then filled up with water. If this done 4 times, how many times succession wise? 4 times. What approximation milk originally contained in the vessel will have be the removed from it? So total part is 1 part. In this 1 by 4th is completed means 3 by 4th and 3 by 4th and 3 by 4th and 3 by 4th, and which is equal to 81 by 256. In this, out of 256, 81 parts is belongs to milk. We need the what is the question? What proportion of the milk originally contained in the vessel will have been removed from it? Out of 256, 81 parts is left means remaining part is what is the removed part, which is equal to 175 parts. Then 175 by 256 is our answer. Then our option is what? D. Next, question number is 62. If the company wishes to give a 4% commission on the market price of a product but also wants to earn a profit of 10%, cost price of the product is 120 into 10% profit means 110, and giving a discount 4% discount means it is a 96 out of 100 and we need market price. Cancel the numbers to getting an answer. Here is 100 cancel, 12 10 and 12 8, and here again cancel with the numbers 2 4 and 2 5 and 2 2 and 2 55 55 5 which is equal to 55 250, 55 275, 275 by 2 which is equal to 137.50. Then next question, a manager divided 234 into 3 workers PQR in such that 4 times of P and equal to 6 times of Q, which is equal to 3 times of R. Then we should share to how much P will get. Then how much P will get? P value is 18 and 6 3s and Q value is 12 and R value is 6 4s 24. Then quotients multiply, will get a ratio 18 is to 12 is to 24, which is equal to here total value of 234. But 18 and 12 and 24 is also divisible by 6 6 3s 6 2s 6 4s. 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9. 9 parts is equal to 234. 234. In this we need p share. P have a how many parts? 3. 3 3s are and 3 7s are 21. Remaining value is 24. 78. Then our option is B. Next, if fare of OLA tax is 36 rupees for the first 5 kilometers. First 5 kilometers 36 rupees. 13 rupees per kilometer. Thereafter, if passenger pays total value is 2402, in this 36 we should remove it. From 2400, 36 will be removed. We'll get 2400 minus 36. We'll get 364. 364 will get 366. Now here this is each how many kilometers that is we required. Each kilometer is equal 13 rupees. That is we should cancel it. Here 13 ones are 13. Remaining value is 106. 13 here 8 ja and remaining is 13 2 ja. 182 kilometers. Till now 180 kilometers, but already 36 rupees is paid for the first 5 kilometers. That means plus 5. Then 182 plus 5 overall is total journey of the person is 187 kilometers. Next, in how many different ways can the letters word equation will be arranged? Vowels always come together. In vowels are separated, E separated, Q and U separated, A separated and T and I, O separated, remaining is N. Vowels always come together. These are all our vowels come together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 factorial into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is a 5 factorial. So is there any repetition? No repetition letters. Then 24, 4 factorial value is 24 and 5 factorial value is 120 and 12 24s are 288 and extra 0. That means 2880. Our option is C. Next, we have a graph. Read the following data carefully and answer the questions given below. Bar graph based. Bar graph shows the below shows the population in 5 different cities. P, Q, R, S, T different cities. Some data is given percentage well, some data is given numbers. Male and females and transgenders. So 3 data are there. In P, males are 45%, females are 30%, 75% belongs to male and female means 2000 is belongs to 25% transgenders. And as it is remaining data also. Look at the question here. What is the first question here? Then total population is equal male, female and transgenders. Population of R is what percentage less than population of Q? Then population R is required. Total population. Then total population wise here look at R population value is 8000. 50%, 35%, 50%, 15% is equal to 8000 means then here the R population is equal to how much value? 16,000. This is our population. And next, population of Q is also required. Population of Q is equal to here 50% and 35%, remaining is 15%. 15% is equal to 30,000. 50% is equal to 30,000. 100% is required. 100% is equal to how many thousand? 20,000. Then 60,000 is what percentage less than? 4,000 less. 4,000 is less than the 20,000. Here difference is 4,000. The 4,000 is less than the 20,000. It is we need half percentage. Then 1 by 5 is equal to how much percentage less? 20%. Our option is C. Next, ratio of literate male to illiterate male in P is 11:7. Particularly, there again males 45%. What is the difference between literate male to illiterate male required? So, difference between 11 to 7 is how many parts? 4 parts. And total is how many parts? 11 plus 7, 18 parts. 4 by 18 value is required. And that too, here look at 2000. 45%, 30%, 75%, remaining is 25%. 25% is equal to 2000, which is multiplied with 8. Here is also multiplied with 8. So 90 4 360. Here 3600. 3600 and 18 2 and 4 2 8. 800 people are belongs to difference between male to male, literate to illiterate. The option is what? E. Next, female population in R is how much percentage less than male and transgender population together of S? Female population R. Female population R means which is equal to red color. So 50% is equal to 50% is equal to 8,000 and 100% is equal to 16,000. 16 into 35 we should multiply to getting an answer. It is a 5,600. 78 ja 5,600. This is a female population of R female population, and less than the male and transgender population together. Yes, male and transgenders. So 45 percentage 25 percentage which is equal to 70 percentage. This is a 30 percentage. 30 percentage is equal to 3,600. Each 1 percentage is equal to 1200. 12 into 7, so 8,400. This is, yes, male and transgenders. We need what? Female population of R is how much percentage less? This is a how much percentage less? 1,400, which is equal to 1,400. We are adding here 8,000, 7,000 and 1,400, 2,800. 2,800 is less comparing to 8,400. We need a percentage multiply with a 100 and cancel the double zero cancel. So 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 7 4 ja, and 4 3 ja. 100 by 3 is equal, 28 3 ja is 84. 100 by 3 is equal to how much percentage? 33 1 by 3 percentage. Our option is B. Question number is 69. Male population of T is how much more than female population of P? Male population of T. Male population of P is equal to 38 percentage required. So 38 plus 32 it is a 70. Remaining is 30 percentage. 3 to 42 it is a 14 times. 14 will be multiplied. 14 8 is a 112, it is a 2 and 11 is a carry forward. 14 3 is a 42. 42 plus 11 it is a here 53 5320. This is a male population of T, and female population of P is required. Female population means 30 percentage. 25 percentage is equal to 2000, which is multiplied 8. Here is also multiplied 8. It is equal to 2,400. From this 2,400 will be removed. 5320 2,400 which is equal to 2,920. Then difference between this male to female population in a T and P respectively. Then what is answer? 2,920. Option is D. Next 70. Find the ratio of transgender population of R. Transgender population of R. R transgender population is here the 50% is equal to 8,000 and overall is 16,000. In this 16,000 we need 15 percentage, that is equal to transgenders in a R. The transgender population of P also. Then it is a 45 and 30, 25 percentage. 25 percentage is equal to 2,000. Total population is 8,000. In 8,000 we need transgender population, that is directly we can write 2,000. Then they are given a 2,000. 2,000 we should calculate. Here the 000 cancel, and 2 2 8 15 8 ja it is 120. 120 by 100 we can write 6 by 5. Our option is what? A. Question number 71. 2,000 root of 2,900 will write 54 plus 126 percentage of 350 minus 23 into 16. Look at here is I am writing 700, here I am writing 63, and here 7 into 63 multiply percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 7 3 is a 21, carry forward is 2, 7 6 is a 42, it is a 441 minus 16 20 is a it is a 320, 16 3 is a 48, it is equal to 368 and 54. So here 54 is removing from the 368, which is equal to 314. Then 314 is again removed from the 441. We will get what is the value? 126. Our option is what? B. Next, root of 6090. Here the root of 80 square value is here the 6,400. Near to 80 and less than 80 is the 78 plus 48 percentage of 550 minus 52 percentage of 350, which is equal to question mark. This is calculation is required. 78 as it is, leave it. 550 and 48 percentage. So look at it is a 24. Here the 1100. That is we can write, and percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 1124 we can write 264 minus here is also 700 and here is we can write 26 and 7 into 26. 7 2 is 140, 7 6 is 42, which is equal to 182, and percentage wise 2 zeros cancel, and 182 it is a 78, and 182 is removing from the 264. What is the answer will be get? Here 4 minus 2 values 2, 26 minus 8 which is equal to 8, 82 and 78. And 70 plus 80 is equal to 150. 8 plus 2 is a 10. Overall value is 160. Our option is A. Next, root of 625.8. So this is 624.98. We can write it what? 25 plus 729. We can write here 27, which is equal to 4. So 25 plus 27, which is equal to 52. 52 is divisible by 4. It is option is what? 13. Next, 67 percentage of 601 minus 151, which is equal to x minus 23 percentage of 739. So we'll multiply here. Look at 67 percentage. Percentage wise two decimals I am applying. 6 into 67. 6 6 is a 360. 6 7 is 42, which is equal to 402 minus 151, which is equal to x minus. Percentage wise I am applying the decimal. 7 20 is a, it is 147. 3 is a 21, which is equal to 161. So minus 151 is come to minus 161 side, then it is become a plus, it is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is added to x, it is equal to 412, which is the option is very near to 412. That is our answer approximately. That is our option is what? C, 422. 36 percentage of 450 plus 56 minus 18 into 13. So this is, we should simplify. 36 percentage we can write 18, and it is we can write 900. So 18 9 ja, 18 9 ja, 9 into, it is 162 plus 56 minus 18 into 10, 180. 18 3 is a 54. 180 plus 54, which is equal to 234. So 162 plus 56, 8 and 218. From 218, 234 will be removed. What is the answer will be? Minus 16 will be get. Our option is C. So we have a directions based on the data analysis. Directly we'll move for the questions. So what was the questions they're asking? Before that, first of all, simplify the data. There are three companies are there. The three companies names A and B and C. And there are three categories of departments. One is IT and one is HR and another one is sales. And the total number of employees we should adjust is 400. Here total number of employees in company B is 135. This is we should adjust for the B. The number of IT employees in company B is 25, and which is equal to the number of sales employees in company C, which is also 25, and the ratio of the IT employees in A and C is 2:3. This is we can write 2x and 3x, and the number of HR employees in company B is 50. This is 50, and from 135, 25 plus 50, 75 is removing, remaining value is 60. 60 plus 75, 135. Next, the number of IT employees in company C is sum of the HR employees in A and C together. This is a 3x is equal to HRA and CHR. Next, the number of sales employees in company B is, company B sales employees is 25 more than the that of the number of HR employees in company A. HR employees in company A 25 more means remaining value is what? 35 as per the data. Next, the total number of IT employees in all the companies together is 150. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Then 5x plus 25, which is equal to 150. Then x is equal to 25. Then we should fill it. Here is the value is 50 and here the value is 75. So look at, already we know C IT employees is equal to A HR value and C HR value. From 75, 35 will be removed. Remaining value is 40. And here 75 plus 25, 100, 100 plus 40. C total value is 140. From 140 here, 140 and 135, total is 275. 275 is removing from the 400, will get 125. A total value is 125. Here is 50 plus 35, 85. 85 removing from the 125, this the value is 40. Now it is each sector is filled by given data. It's a very useful to finding an answer. Look at the first question for this data. Here, what is the ratio of the number of, what is the ratio of number of HR employees in company A, HR employees in company A to the number of sales employees in company B? Sales employees 35 is to 60. 35 is to 60, both are divisible by 5. 5 sevens are, 5 12s are. Our option is what? D. And let's go for the next question. Here, the number of sales employees in company A and C together, sales employees in company A and C together, 40 plus 25 is 65, is approximately what percentage of the total number of IT employees in all the companies together? So, 65 is what percentage of IT employees together? Here, 25 plus 50, 75, 75 plus 75, 150 into 100, and 52 so 53 and 52 here 3 how many times? Approximately 3 how many times? Here 3 2s and 3 1s. 21 2s is equal 42 percentage. Approximately how much percentage? 43 percentage. Move for the next question. What is the total number of HR employees in all the companies together? HR employees value here 50 plus 40 90, 90 plus 35 125. Our option is C. Next question 79. What is the difference between the total number of employees in A and C? A value is 125, C value is 140, difference is 15. Our option is C. Next, what is the ratio of sum of the number of IT employees in company C? IT employees in company C plus number of HR employees in company B. HR employees in companies B, it is a 50. It is overall is 125. So in company B together to the total number of sales employees in all the companies together, 40 plus 60, which is 100, 100 plus 25, 125. 125, 125 both are cancelled. Our option is what? 1:1.